Positive reinforcement encourages and strengthens desired behavior change by recognizing what someone does well or the effort put into doing something new. To use positive reinforcement effectively, leaders should focus on 4 things. Individualize the feedback. Individuals are motivated by different approaches. Communicate in the way the individual appreciates. Provide feedback immediately, consistently, and frequently. This will link the behavior and the reward more closely. Be specific. Specificity allows your team member to understand which behaviors you're reinforcing. Great work is not as effective as your presentation was well organized, visually interesting, and gave the audience opportunities to interact. Well done. Connect your external motivation with intrinsic motivation. Positive reinforcement is a form of external motivation, which means its effectiveness will diminish over time. Link your positive reinforcement to internal motivators, such as saved time or skill mastery, to establish long-term motivation. Thank you.